Hey guys, it's the Yo Papi, and today is the unboxing of the S10 Plus Prism White. So right here we have the box. It's the S10 Plus Prism White, 128 gig. See it right there, right? Okay, so let's unbox this thing. Okay, I can go to the side. Oh wait. Looks like in the cover, the books and stuff is in there, right? So let's see what we get. There goes your SIM ejection tool. All the books. Before we get to the phone, you have your charger, your fast charge in white. You have your connector. Let's see. We have, I'm gonna assume USB Type C. Yep. There it is. Right, white. And of course, the 8kg headphones. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're braided, right? Let's see what kind of, I believe it's a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. I just don't want to take them out, but that's what it is. We'll go over it later. Okay, now let's get to the phone. So here's the phone, right? It goes the two front cameras. There goes the power button. A little high. And there goes that beautiful white. Look at that. Right? Okay, so let's take this the volume rocker, the Bixby button, which you can now map, by the way. Look at that. That's incredible. It's about time Samsung came back out with a white. All right, let's power this bad boy on. Oh, by the way, it comes with a screen protector. Don't know how many of you are gonna keep it. I'm definitely not. There it is. Okay. So again, this is the 128 gig. And I believe 8 gigs of RAM.
Let's get started.
All right,
Let me
so
help
there we
you
go.
get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Right. All right, so I'm gonna set this up and I'll be right back.